going? It's me, Betty Jean. It's the very first day of Valenbean. I'm going to have a week straight of Valentine's Day related makeup videos starting today until Valentine's Day. So this is look number 1. I don't know what I'm calling it. This cute little heart cutout thing on my face was... Did you guys hear that? That was weird. It was like almost unsettling. This cute little Valentine's heart cutout situation kind of thing was inspired by Goth Fruits. I've seen him do this with stars in multiple colors and I've been wanting to do something like this for a while, so that's totally inspired by him. Another thing, I bought this background and another background for my Valentine's looks, and during the tutorial portion I totally forgot to put it up. You get this for the intro, the outro, the little narcissistic face montage at the beginning of the video, but it'll be black for the rest of the video. I apologize. But anyways, let's just get into this tutorial. In this process of doing my makeup, now is a good time to just turn on my camera because I feel like I want to do the face portion first just in case it goes very wrong. But I'm going to start by applying my blush. I already have my foundation, concealer, powder, and bronzer. This is the NYX Sweet Springs blush. It's just like the perfect pinky blush. And that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. I'm going for pinky today. It's funny because I actually just filmed my pink monochromatic look collab with Lisa. So I already had a ton of pink on and putting it right back on my face. Really, that look could have been a Valentine's Day tutorial. So I guess it's like we're getting 8 Valenbean looks if you look at it that way. And then I'm just gonna tap that out with my sponge. Deciding what I want to do with highlight, if I want to do that first or after what I try. I think I'm going to do it first because I can always reapply some. I'm just going to go into the Nicole Guererrio Glow Kit with Anastasia and I'm going to take Kitty Cat right here. I'm just going to apply this everywhere that I normally would apply highlight. I'm in a filming mood today. I'm off today and I just want to film like 100 tutorials. But I think my least favorite part about being in this kind of mood is that it would involve me having to take off all of my makeup and then put it back on, obviously. Which would be fine if I could pretty much just take off my eyeshadow, blush, highlight, and lipstick. If I could leave the foundation, powder, and bronzer on, I'd be so much happier, but there's no way to really do that. Quickly gonna spray some Glow Mist because I'm obsessed with this stuff. So while that's drying, I had these stickers, but they're like double hearts, like it's just one solid thing, and I didn't want to put that on my face because I was worried it wasn't gonna look like a double heart because you wouldn't be able to see that cut where they meet. So I just took them and kind of cut them apart so that it flows with the seam of the heart, so hopefully they look okay. I totally got this idea from Goth Fruits. He's amazing. He's been doing this for a long time where he takes stars, things like that. I think he usually does stars, and he'll put little star stickers on his face and then blend color around it, so it's like little negative space stars on his face. It's cute. And I wanted to do that with hearts for something Valentine's-y. If I can even get the sticker off of the thing. I don't know, let's just put it like right here. Okay, I like the position of those. I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other half of my face. I really hope this turns out cute. So, wish me luck. Now's the scary part. I just have 3 random blending brushes because I want to use 3 different colors, and I'm taking my Ace Beaute Blossom Passion palette. So I want to keep it pinky today, so I'm going to be doing some as Desire, some as Dahlia, and then some as Love. So that's pretty much it. It doesn't really matter what order I do it. I guess I'm just gonna start with Love. Just gonna start just kind of tapping around the outside. And the thing with this is that you have to make sure you have it as blended as you want it to be, because as soon as you take that sticker off, there's no going back and fixing any blending and being able to keep that negative space. It's just not gonna happen. So I'm just going in teeny tiny bits at a time, dipping in when I need to. Oh no, I just lifted the sticker. Oh gosh, okay, it's fine. Just be careful. I'm gonna just keep with Love and do that on this side. I'm just gonna kind of switch up which heart goes where, just so that in case I didn't put them down totally symmetrical, it won't be as obvious if the colors are flip-flopped. So now I'm gonna take Dahlia, the more muted pink one, and this one I'm gonna put up here. And obviously you could just do all the same color, provided that you're recreating this look. I don't imagine that many people are gonna recreate this look. This one's more just for fun for me. Keeping with that Dahlia shade, I'm gonna pop this one right here. I'm gonna take my clean brush that I haven't used anything with yet just to buff this edge a little more because I felt like it was getting a little messy. Finally, dipping into Desire, which is more of the warm toned bright pink. And obviously we're just gonna pop this on top of the heart that we haven't done anything with yet. I'm getting really hyped about this right now. It doesn't look like it because I'm in concentration mode, but I feel like this is gonna be really cute. And provided I did it right and it looks good, then I'll be able to safely say this was super easy. And I'll probably do this with a million other shapes. Thank you, Goth Roots. He's king. He taught me everything I know. Now that it looks like I'm done, I'm just gonna take my beauty sponge and just tap over everything just to help blend in case there are any harsh lines. Moment of truth. Aww. I could actually cry. That's really cute. I actually feel emotional about this. I think this is the actual cutest thing in the world. All right, let's work on the eyes now. Priming my eyes with the Smashbox Lid Primer. I think I want to do a cut crease with those colors that I just used actually. So I'm going to start with Desire because that's the darker one out of the three. And I'm going to just begin to pop this through my crease. I'm gonna go ahead and do that to the other eye. I know I don't normally do two eyes on camera anymore. I always do it kind of one at a time, but I want to use this exact same brush for a different shade, so I don't want it to mix when I do this step in a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna dip into Love with that exact same brush, and I'm just gonna kind of carry this cut crease color with this shade. I don't know how much of a difference that's actually gonna make, but it's making a difference in my mind. And I'm just winging it all the way up to my brow. Now I'm gonna take Dahlia, and I'm just gonna use that same brush I used Dahlia with before. And I'm gonna place that right above those pinks, just to help get that gradient going. Now we're gonna do some cut creasing. I have my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, popping that across my whole lid. And then looking straight up so I can see where the cut crease needs to go. And I'm just gonna follow that line. We're gonna do a full-on cut crease today. I haven't done one of those in a hot little minute. But that's what I wanna do today. I know it looks like we just covered up pretty much everything we just did, and I kind of wanted that because I just wanted a very light wash of crease color. And now with that same brush, I'm going to dip into Peony, and I just want to place this everywhere that we cut the crease. Just a cute little light wash of something. And now I'm just going to quickly take the little Desire Love concoction. I'm just kind of mixing them together. And I'm going to smudge this underneath the lower lash line. Alright, I'm going to finish this eye, pop on some lashes and something on my lips, and we'll finish this video up. So this is the final look. I really hope you like it. I love how it came out. I feel like a Valentine, and it's really cute. And I think this was a really good start to Valenbean. I'm excited to make the other 6 videos. And let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this idea. And I'm sure by the time that this video goes up, most, if not all of them, will already be filmed because I tried to be on my pre-filming game so I don't have to get behind ever. But let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of this look. I know someone's gonna ask, and yes, I will have an anti-Valentine's Day look during this at some point. If you enjoyed this start to Valenbean, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I normally post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, but like I said, for this week, it will be a week straight of videos, so make sure you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.